Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a way that you can do Hindu push-ups or dands without getting down on the floor. And I'll show you another type of push-up too. But these are fantastic though for building mobility and strength through your body, but maybe you're not strong enough to do it on the floor. This is just a way that you can do it to get you stronger so that you could do it on the floor if you wanted to. However, these feel so good, you may not ever want to get down on the floor. So what you need is a bench or a couch or a sturdy chair, and you're gonna push back and try to get your head and chest down in between your arms. So chest towards the floor, head in between your arms, and then you're gonna dive down over your hands and then push up and then squeeze your glutes and look up at the ceiling as high as you can and enjoy the lengthening, stretching sensation, and then you just push yourself back to the starting position. This feels fantastic on the shoulders and the hips and the spine. But this would be like a standing or elevated Hindu push-up or dand. Now, I said I'd show you another type. You can also reverse it. And you're the starting position and you lower yourself down to the bench or the couch and then push yourself back to the starting position. So it's like similar but opposite and yet still quite different. And this also feels very good. Anyway, these are a great way to work on hip mobility, shoulder strength, chest strength, tricep strength. Really, they just strengthen your whole body. And again, it's a way to do the push-up and enjoy the benefits of the push-up without having to get down on the floor. Now, I'll be honest, there is still a considerable amount of strength needed to do this, but it's a way to modulate the strength that you need. And this one here, a little bit less strength is needed, but it still feels really good and it still has benefit. Anyway, give that a shot. If you can't do your Hindu push-ups on the floor, or you can't really do push-ups on the floor in general, but you're looking for a way to strengthen your shoulders and get more mobility in your shoulders and maybe make your hips a little bit more mobile, this is a great alternative. All right, guys, that's it for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.